Using this drill if we got to. Look what we got today. We got to take this siding off, or should I say plywood, and there are nails that are stuck. Using this drill if we got to. Let's see. We're going to drill around the spot. Oh. 2 hands. Ouch. And I missed the screw. Found it right here. Let's go and zip this bad boy out real quick. Hidden screws. Let's see. Whoa. She's off. She's off, girls. Time to grind off all of the nails. Ooh. Oh, yeah. DeWalt right there. Sponsored by Javier, not DeWalt. Right here, I'm going to be using the Sawzall with the Diablo blade. This is going to get those screws cut off easy peasy. Oh, she's off. Oh, not yet. So we had a few extra screws on the top that was covered with silicone, and finally got those bad boys off. This thing is rigged on here. Not sure what these people were thinking. Clearly they weren't thinking when they were putting all this crap on here. Number 2. So get the last one. Alright, last piece. There you go. Oh.
You got that on camera.
Yeah, I did.
Mama.
21 days. She's
You got support me.
Yeah. Man. The Nigerians are out of there, bro. Not my stilo. She can have that guap on her.
The Nigerians one that went 12 kids, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. I got a real chillin'.
I think you can build RVs now. And the next Yeah, 24 pack of beer.
Let's see. But that's exactly. You know, I'm like, you know what? Well, I'm just gonna tell them to just pay me for what I've done. Just pay me for what I've done, and we'll just call it good. And then I'm really gonna have to do it right now. Going inside. There she is. Looking pretty good. All right, we got the siding up on there. All we used was our D-wall drills, some 5/16 screws, hammer, pry bar, and our sawzall and our grinder. So make sure that y'all like and subscribe to the channel so you can get pinged every single time we go live. Also, join the community on the Facebook. You want to get in there, we're gonna have some really helpful information for all y'all, and plus long form videos inside of that community. So make sure that y'all subscribe to that Facebook community right there. Other than that, to the next time.